Hey everyone, Michael here with Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, I'm coming to you from Rome, Italy. I am standing in front of the Marcus Aurelius column here, which is a column that's carved of all of Marcus Aurelius's victories in battle, representing those along the column as it kind of spirals up to the top there. It's really cool. So if you don't know Marcus Aurelius, he wrote this really awesome book called Meditations, and it's all about Stoicism and his thoughts and how he wanted to make himself a better human. I highly recommend checking it out if you haven't. I've mentioned it several times on the podcast and our YouTube channel that Suzy and I do follow Stoic practices, Stoic philosophies, and Marcus Aurelius is one of those leading Stoics back in his time that we still study today. And so I just wanted to share with you 3 questions I ask myself pretty much every day that leads me to the path to become a better Stoic. So the first one is I always ask myself, who am I hanging out with? One of the Stoic philosophies or Stoic principles is that you become who you hang out with, right? And so I'm always thinking about who am I hanging out with? Am I the smartest person in the room? If I am the smartest person in the room, I need to find a different room and make sure that I am not the smartest person in the room because I will not grow, I will not learn. The second one is I think about, is this essential? So throughout my day, there are things that I say yes to, but everything I say yes to means I say no to something else, right? So I make sure that I'm asking myself, is what I'm doing or what I want to do essential in propelling me forward and making me the person I want to be? And the third thing I ask myself is this in my control? Is what is happening to me, whatever affected me, is it in my control? Did I make it happen? If it's externally controlled, then I try not to let it bother me. Try not to let it bother me because it's outside of my control. Don't let it affect me. Don't let it affect my emotions. So those are the 3 things that I focus on every single day to make myself a better Stoic, make myself a better philosopher. So I hope you found value in this. Please check out Marcus Aurelius Meditations. If you want more information about what Suzy and I read regarding Stoicism, please feel free to reach out to us. Drop a comment below, and don't forget to smash that like button below and hit subscribe so you'll never miss out on other videos that we film all across the world. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits. Woo!